Hi, this is Zeedign Tutorials, and in this video we are going to learn how to write text in a circular path in Adobe Photoshop. Now I have created this document. All you need to do is draw a circle using the ellipse tool. I have created two, and you will understand why. So here are these two layers. So all I need to do now is click on this type tool or select it by pressing T, and then you will need to hover your cursor over the circular path here of each of the circle, either of the circle. So let's say for this one I will click on T and select the ellipse tool, the layer, and then once I will move my cursor on top of the path of that circle, you will notice that it changes. If I'm outside, it has a box of it, and once I move it, it has this tiny circular curvy path on it. So I just need to click on it, and that's it. Now it has typed a demo text around the circle already. Okay, so I will stick with that, or you could type something else like type your text here, like this. Okay, now another thing to understand is you could change your text normally just like you do from the top, like here, or afterwards as well. It is a separate layer now. Now one thing to notice here is that it has started typing from the place where I clicked. So what if I want to change it afterwards? For that you need to hold your control key and move your cursor near this circle that you will notice, which represents where you have started typing from. So once you will hold the control key, you will notice this sort of an icon, the up and down arrow, and then you could use that to move it. Okay, another thing is that if you will move your cursor inside the circle, the text will be written inwards. Okay, and if you will move it outside, it will be like this. Okay, so here what I'm going to do now is I will move it like this, and move my cursor now like this. Okay, now you will see how I could change it, the starting and end point of my circle. So at any point wherever I'm happy. Once I'm happy, that's it. Now the last thing that you might be interested in is that what if I want to make it a bit upward so that it is not touching the circle which it was written on or written around. So for that, either you could make the original circle smaller, or you could make your text a bit larger, and for that you need to do Ctrl T, and then instead of resizing it directly, you need to hold your Alt key and then resize it a little bit like this while holding Alt key, and that's it. Once you're happy, press enter. So this is it. This is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, subscribe to this channel, and drop any comment if you have any question. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.